Hi, I'm Chase with Risk Management Consultants, a small business low voltage wiring company, and this is my favorite tool on my truck. I use this thing for everything. For such a small battery, it's still got a surprising amount of power behind it.
You know, the Impact was like the best tool ever they ever put out, I think. And when this came out, you know, I don't know, I was so used to using the bigger one, but then the other guys started, you know, dragging theirs out on the jobs and they wouldn't put them back. And I said, well, you know what, they're doing what they need to do with that little thing. So I picked it up and started using it and been happy. And that pretty much sits unless we really got to hammer something in or take something out that's tough.
You know, in the years, because I'm a little older, you know, I've had different gifts given to me, these little pencil screwdriver type things, and they never lasted. You know, where this thing I think is going to last for a while, because you can charge the battery and it does have a lot of torque and ability to go. So I think it's going to be a good product that's going to stick around. So we haven't destroyed any yet, and I know we've all worked them pretty hard.
My name is Michael Clark. Work for Brightview Electric. Much easier than running a screw gun, and it's much lighter and easier to use than the Impact wrench or anything else. I like the speed control. Like I said, once you get used to the operation, the speed control is really convenient.
Hi, my name is Art Geister. I'm a rehabber, property owner, property manager, and I was in a tight space. I couldn't get a regular drill or anything in there, so this was perfect. When we need to change an outlet or a light switch, I mean, I hate using a regular screwdriver and it's taken me forever. Man, I pop this in and boom, boom, 2 minutes and I'm done. The clutch setting is really important because I can't tell you how many plates we've broken in the past. So with the clutch setting, it's perfect. I mean, a godsend. So I love this tool.